How do? Now, I'm on holiday, as you can see. Holidays are the perfect time for a bit of rest, bit of relaxation, and also for getting some inspiration. So I'm the diagonal opposite end of the country. I'm in Cornwall, so I'm expecting to see lots of sea-based things as I'm next to the ocean. It might be nets, it could be boats, it could be all sorts of things, but looking at those inspirational things to find what you might do for your next build. Now obviously in a gorgeous place like this, some of the inspiration might be a spiritual thing with a beautiful sunset behind you. But actually we're going to look a little bit more practical today. So come with me on this vacation and we'll see what we can find. So what do you do if you see something inspiring? Well, these days, grab your phone, make a little video, make some notes to yourself. It's really simple actually. So my first thought was these rocks. So just looking at these rocks poking out the water, and straight away I'm just thinking end grain. I don't know what for yet. I can't picture it in a build, in a piece of furniture, maybe a guitar or something, but I don't know. But at the minute I'm seeing end grain of wood poking out somewhere. Well, it's worth noting down. I love this idea of using plywood to create the tree. I've done quite a few plywood things in the past, rocking horses, where you use these lines in the wood and they look quite spectacular. That's nice. Beautiful wall with a door within a door. That's tiny. Who's going to get in there? I don't know, but it looks cool. Almost too much inspiration for one wall. What a building. Do you know, I think that might just be a pyrography burn, that one. So on holidays you find some wicked places like this. It's awesome. So we're going to go around this house and we're going to see loads of weird things, lots of secret spaces which I absolutely love, and see if we can get some inspiration for some really cool builds in there. How about building a room that's completely upside down? Maybe just some design ideas taken from oldie worldy things.
Yeah.
Not everything has to be straight lines. Remembering that round doors look cool, but are far more complicated to sort out. Build something new that looks really old. Timeless classic. And follow the kids. So here we are in Tintagel. Apparently it's called Tintagel, but I'm a Yorkshireman, so Tintagel. Now Tintagel has a claim to fame. It has the ruins, apparently, of King Arthur and his round table. So on this island over here is where the castle ruins sit, and we're going to go and investigate that and see if we can pick up an inspiration. I'm sure there's going to be a certain theme going on. There certainly is inside the village, but let's go and have a look. Shall we follow the kids? Let's go. So firstly is the bridge going across where you're walking on slates, so they're on the side. How cool is that? Check this out. So look at this weather-worn texture. It's really cool to try and get something like that into a new build. Would just be amazing. And I tell you what, if you could do it with that view on the other side, it would be amazing. So all the different rooms that are up here. Alright, I might not be going to design a room, but it's all just building inspiration for a theme up here, I think. Thinking about how they lived, what tools they might have used. Maybe they had a pizza oven. And again, that little thing of secret entrances, secret exits, secret tunnels, all things that you can put into your builds, whether that's big chunks of garden or just a piece of furniture. So one of the great things about taking pictures and videos with little notes to yourself is that you're not then scribbling down ideas straight away in your head. You can come back and rewatch it later. So a few of the things that stood out for me were round doors, maybe round drawers, try and implement those into a few builds, and some things with strange angles to make them look a little bit quirky. I like that. As I was walking around the Forbidden Mansion, that was really cool. But there are definitely two themes that I want to run with. Let's have a look at those. Well, the King Arthur theme definitely shines through. This for me is screaming a guitar with the handle as the headstock, some scribing going down the fretboard, and on the back of the neck, I think I'm going to have a V shape with trying to get that centre groove running down there as well. Running right the way down, probably a through neck all the way through. The body possibly being a shield, but I'm not set on that one for sure yet. Now the second theme was end grain. Firstly seen coming out of the beach with those stones that lay on edge. That definitely just sprang out as end grain to me. But also then the old castle ruins. So trying to incorporate that into something. My first initial thoughts might be some kind of drawers with secret entrances that open out, and we'll just kind of play with that as we go along. So there we have a few ideas ready to go. So when I get back to the workshop, we start figuring out something in a little bit more detail. The old post office, the big old building, that's definitely going to be a pyrography burn coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that one. So make sure you click like and subscribe to see what else is coming up. Until next time, grab your camera and I'll see you soon.